Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of precision cutting with the electric hot knife kit, a versatile tool designed for grooving, sculpting, and cutting with ease. This air-cooled 200W powerhouse operates at 110 to 120 volts and comes equipped with 5 interchangeable blades, making it perfect for tackling a variety of materials like XPS, EP, EPS, EVA, EPE, KT board, and even sponge. With its 12-inch bendable blade, you can effortlessly create circular, square, V-shaped, or triangular grooves, ideal for projects involving wiring, plumbing, crown molding, and more. Thanks to its innovative air-cooled technology, this hot knife offers a continuous runtime of up to 120 minutes, far surpassing the typical 10-minute limit of ordinary hot knives, ensuring you stay productive without unnecessary breaks. Installation is a breeze with the included accessories, such as the grooving platform, steel ruler, auxiliary limit plate, and a convenient carrying case, making it an essential tool for both plumbers and electricians. Plus, with NLBFOU's commitment to quality, each foam cutter undergoes rigorous performance testing before leaving the factory, so you can trust in its reliability and durability. If you're ready to elevate your cutting projects to the next level, this electric hot knife kit is your go-to solution for precision and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.